So today I'm going to shoot through a few things and see if you can hide behind them. The first one is going to be a refrigerator. But I got to warn you first, it's quite breezy out here, so there will probably be some microphone noise. In movies, a lot of times, you'll see someone run into a kitchen during a gunfight. And they'll open up the refrigerator door and hide behind it. And it got me to thinking, does that actually ever work? So we're going to test that out. Another thing you see a lot of in movies is someone hiding behind a car door and none of the bullets get through the car door to them. They're perfectly protected back here. So we're going to test that out too. I'm going to try to be a little bit scientific with our shoot today. I have my .22 long rifle Remington bolt action. I have my Mossberg 12 gauge shotgun, and I have my Mosin Nagant. It's 9130. So everything we're going to start with 22, go up to 12 gauge, and then try out the Mosin, which is 7.62 by 54R, in case you're not familiar with it. It's a beast. So the ammunition we'll be shooting today is a cheapo 22 long rifle round. It's a Remington 4-shot 12 gauge and military surplus. I believe it's steel core 7.62 by 54R ammunition. The 22 went straight through the refrigerator door. And it went right into the car. Didn't go too far in. Nice hole inside the door. Let's go get the 12 gauge. Yeah, the door didn't stand up to the 12 gauge much either. And there's shot. You can see where the paint's missing on the fender and the door panel there. Put a pretty good size hole in that side. So a refrigerator door is pretty worthless. So next we're going to go through the refrigerator. Like maybe you could stand beside it, like over here. This is the front of this wonderful refrigerator. So maybe you could stand beside it over here. So we'll see if 22 and 12 gauge go through that. I don't even think there's a reason to test the Mosin Nagant on that, because, yeah, those go through, the Mosin will definitely go through. Well, 22 went in. .22 came through. 22 went through. Yeah, almost came out. It's actually stopped. You can see a little bit of the lead right there. That's 22. Low to the left. Obviously went into the fridge. Obviously it came into the fridge. Lots of stuff on that side of the fridge. Oh. And we even have a BB that, or 2 or 3, that took the paint off the car. Most of it got stopped though. So, yeah, it'd be iffy with the 12 gauge. Let's go have some fun with the Mosin Nagant. Well, Mosin Nagant went through this side of a shotgun wound. So, There it is inside. And there it is that side. There it is there. And through the door. Through the door. Broke the glass thing that was laying in there. But I don't see it coming out this side of the door anywhere. So it stayed somewhere in that car. But who knows where, because there's a bunch of junk in there. Went for a little bit different spot. I went up here in relationship to the other ones. Looks like a keyhole into the door this time. Yep, it didn't come out of there straight. Broke the window. So that was a pretty good shock into the door then. Oh, and we have a winner. That bullet went clean through. There you can see the entry into the car. So that thing was moving. Another thing you see a lot of in movies is someone hiding behind a car door, and none of the bullets get through the car door to them. They're perfectly protected back here. So we're going to test that out too. .22 definitely went into the door, as we kind of already figured it would. Didn't come through. .12 gauge. .12 gauge did not actually come through. Amazing. Mosin Nagant went in. Little hole in the seam there. Oh, got the vacuum cleaner. Over there into the seat. Mosin Nagant again. Obviously in. Out. I think that might be it right there at the head of the dipstick. Oh yes, it came out. Definitely came out sideways, but it came out. My light is fading fast, but I want to try a couple more things before I wrap this up. I'm going to take a milk jug full of water. I'm going to set it in here behind the door. I'm going to shoot through out here in the front part of the door with the 12 gauge. See if anything makes it through. 12 gauge at a little different spot in the door. Oh yeah. Right on through. Cool. So in conclusion, refrigerator door, yeah, pretty worthless. If you could stand on the other side of a refrigerator, depending on what they have, it might save you. And a car door, depending on where they hit, might save you. But most likely, the car door is not going to do a whole lot for you either. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I decided to open the trunk because I couldn't remember how much scrap iron I had in here. And I found this bad boy. Oh, just broke him. Nice piece there, and he was hooked on the edge of that. He was hooked on the edge of that old stovepipe. There's a little piece up in there. Oh, definitely a good spot for a snake to shed their skin.